this was the idea that most portfolios that turn up have got 20 stocks usually. Any more than that, you can't really manage it, and the smaller holdings get diluted to nothing. The idea of the one stock portfolio is if you had to sell your 20 stock portfolio, so you've got $1 million 20 stock portfolio, 50 grand in 20 stocks. Say you had to sell the whole lot and you had to pick one stock to buy, what would you pick? Well, I can tell you what you're going to do. Whatever stock it is, you're going to know all about it. You're going to have read the annual report, you've been to the website, you've read the latest announcements, you've gone through the results, you've sent their balance sheet to your mate, the accountant, to ask him what he thinks. You will be looking at the stock, you'll know the liquidity, you'll know the style of the people that are in it, whether it gets pumped up on particular days ahead of announcements, after announcement, whether the management usually disappoint or please, what the growth rates are. You'll know everything. You will be parked in a car outside the CEO's house looking through his window with binoculars at night. Because if you're going to put your whole future in this company, you're going to know everything about it. You'll be watching it in the morning, you'll be watching how it closes. Now, the question is, why aren't you doing that for every stock? Because for most people, the moment you go beyond one or two stocks, you think it's diversified, you think it's safer, you think you don't really have to care anymore, because the truth of the matter is there is more risk holding 20 stocks you know almost nothing about than there is holding one stock that you know everything about. And the message from that is clear. It's not sell your portfolio and go and buy one stock, which my broking house foolishly thought that's what I was advising people to do. It is that you can significantly reduce the risks by finding out about what you're investing in, and too many people take the shortcut, don't do the work. The work's very easy to do. There's a heck of a lot of public information, which if you knew would put you in the top 0.01% of people in the world that knew anything about that company. And then if you went a little bit further and did research, found out what brokers were saying about it, you'll end up, before you know it, in the top 0.0001% of people know anything about it. Point being, tiny amount of work massively reduces your risk in the equity market. So do the work.